Hey, what's going on, everyone? If you are shopping for a foot peg that is there to help reduce vibration and wear and tear on your body, well then check out these Spurz foot pegs from XC Gear. All right, everyone, thank you so much for checking in. So like I just mentioned, if you're shopping for a new set of foot pegs and one specifically designed to help reduce as much vibration as possible, make it a little bit easier on your feet, your ankles, your legs, then you are who XC Gear made the Spurz foot peg for. What's unique about these is when you look at them, you can see they actually have their polymers inside here, and these make it to where the platform of the foot peg is not contacting any metal of the actual mount. And the reason for that is they want to reduce as much metal-to-metal contact, if possible, all of it, so to help reduce a lot of that vibration. Now, how these foot pegs are built, they're 100% steel, so that does make them pretty heavy. They're a little over a pound each, but you know, with steel, the durability factor is going to be there. So like I said, the way this works is simple. It's going to mount up to your motorcycle like any other foot peg. Keep in mind they're bike specific, so enter the year, make, and model on the product page to ensure that they will fit your bike. But like I mentioned, once you have them mounted up, you can see you've got the platform here, the cleats on here, the pins are nice and tall, it can be very grippy. But then you have these polymers which go in between the platform and the actual mount itself. And what these allow is just to give you what they say is 360 degrees of damping. So you actually get a little bit of movement fore and aft, so front and back, and then also a little bit side to side as well. And what's kind of cool, you can see that you're not getting any metal-to-metal contact between those two parts of the foot peg. And what's also nice too is that this polymer is replaceable. So I actually called XC Gear to find out kind of what's a good rule of thumb as far as how often you should be changing that out. And what they told me is that if you're a rider that rides pretty often, about once a year, you want to swap out the polymers because they do break down. And they do have, so red will be standard. That's kind of like the medium compound as far as firmness goes. There is an orange and a yellow set. So the orange will be your softest. Yellow will softest, orange will be the firmest. And some other guidelines too, as far as, you know, which color or which polymer do you want. What they say is that if you want the most damping, the most vibration you can get rid of, and maybe you're a little bit lighter rider too, then you want to go with yellow. If you're looking at big G outs, you're a faster rider taking harder hits and stuff like that, maybe you want us to go with orange. But for most riders, that's why they go with red right out of the box, because most riders are going to fall into the red polymer category. But overall, like I said, if you're shopping for new foot pegs and you're looking to help reduce as much vibration as you can, you know, this could be a foot peg you definitely want to be checking out. Kind of pricey, you're about 280 bucks, but again, all steel construction, pretty unique design. So if you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure, leave those in the comment section below. To grab these today to see if they'll fit your bike, click on the link in the description or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Also, XC Gear does have some other cool parts like their Mako 360 bar mount. So that bar mount is actually just like the foot pegs, built to reduce as much vibration as possible. I know there's a lot of GNCC guys also that rock that bar, so be sure, or that bar mount, so be sure to check that out. As always, orders over 75 bucks ship free. If you like this video and you want to stay up to date on the latest product spotlights, we are the #1 place to go for videos like you just saw today. So do yourself a favor, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and stay up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.